Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Poppo Live weekly on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Poppo Live and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about Poppo Live. Here if you find update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.